and this time I'm going to do an introduction. So prepare your cringe. Alright, hello YouTube. I realised that people watch these VODs for some reason, so I'm going to introduce my game that I'm working on at the moment. I have another game, but it's like a RTS, and it's a lot like Total War in the way that you do a battle instead of the normal RTS like Age of Empires, but it's in this isometric view, and yeah, the units are in formations and they move around in formations rather than singularly. Anyway, it's also a fantasy game. I've already played Kingdom Come Deliverance 1 and 2 and did not like it. I hated it. Oh really? I loved it. It's one of my favourite games. Anyway, the AI is in control right now, but you know, in the real game you will play. The AI won't be in control, although I am thinking of adding like whatchamacallit, like a button down here where you can have the AI play and they will sort of look how weirdly this one turned out. This isn't what normally happens. Normally they just fight in a line, but this time we're all spread out and stuff. This guy's run away already. Anyway, we have spells. I've been working on spells recently. This isn't going to do anything. I should probably make Entangle do something. You have spells here. Terrify. Didn't work though. I gotta probably make it stronger. I don't know what else to describe. Alright. There's also, I've been working on this dragon. The combat isn't just fighting an NPC, but those games are like fighting an MC, your desk, keyboard, awkward animation, the talking creeping me out. Yes, they have a very opinionated, Kingdom Come Deliverance has a very opinionated systems, I guess, and yeah. And if you don't like it, you can't do anything about it, right? Anyway, I've been working on this dragon, and I think I've got it in a place where I like it looks okay. The only thing is, I don't like the look of, like, the animations are kind of awkward sometimes, like the way it slides around, and sometimes it will sort of not quite know what direction to go in, or you'll sort of, yeah, like spam like that. Oh, hello, Hoga Burger Man. And I've been working on the abilities, so now it can fly. And it'll come down here. And then and it can attack things. And I added the fire breath in as well. But it doesn't quite line up perfectly, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it better than that, because see, this is the thing, if it was in 3D, I could, it would look perfect, right? It would have the blended animations, it would You could line up the fire breath with the mouth. It looks 3D, yeah. It looks 3D, but it's not. Which is what I wanted. And I want this fly ability to, you know, you when you land, it will blow everyone apart. Unreal is summoning you. Oh look, this is like the wrong... Oh look at this. Oh, that's interesting. I never noticed that. The ordering is wrong. That makes sense actually, because it's on the same level as everyone else, but it needs to be one above. Yeah, and actually I've been getting into 3D modeling recently. Well, yesterday I did a little bit more 3D modeling. And it was pretty easy because I just, like, I got a base model and then just edited it. So I'm working on the Fairy Queen. I don't know how I'm going to do the sparkles. I'm going to have to do some shader stuff. But I was able to do the cloth like that pretty easily. Like I watched the tutorial and it wasn't too bad. And then I got the hair from like those free hair and stuff you can get. And then I just made the crown and the wings. And yeah, so I've got to paint this today. You can see all the hair up here. It's just like playing The Sims, really, because you just add all these things together. I didn't really do anything. So anyway, what I need to do next is oh, how's your game going, Ogre Burger Man? I also played GTA 5 for the first time. I don't know if you're proud of that. Oh, GTA 5 is a great game. GTA 5 is a great game. You should try the other GTAs if you liked it. Like number 3 and number 4. San Andreas, Vice City. Number 4 is pretty good. The big ones are probably a little bit dated at this point. Right, so I was working on the AI casting spells, yeah. Okay, so we're choosing a random spell to cast, and then we'll just work. I haven't worked on it much, so I was just working on other stuff. Still waiting for Steam to approve my page. Oh, really? And then there's always going to be a problem. Ugh. There's always, oh, you did this wrong, or you did that wrong. Like to... I've simple-minded I go on mission to mission. Yeah, I mean, the story's great in that game. Really cool. They don't prove it in I can't make it the next best. Really? Mate, you cut it too close. What? That seems really unfair. Because of the holidays, yeah, they got time off because it's real people instead of bots. And this is the one time where you maybe want bots. Chosen spell data, and then I made this data here, which tells you what to target. So, I mean, let's concentrate here, I suppose. Or let's just concentrate on like trying to cast a fireball or something, I don't know. Yeah. I always get lost. Too many tabs open and things. Let's think. So you pick a random spell. It should have inside of it who does it target. So I guess we match. Yeah, I guess we match available spells. Target 0. Just make sure I named it that. Target 0. Yeah. And then that would be allies, enemies. And there might be a better way to do this other than match. We'll have to work it out as we go, really. And then what do you cannot find member targets in base array? Oh, I see what you're saying. Then we're going to do, you've chosen to target allies. Now you match the chosen spell targets 1, and this could be any, or it could be and this is where I think a match is actually wrong. I'm not sure. Could be any, it could be majority, it could be lowest. And then any I guess casting position. Vector 2. Cast any, then formation, army controller, opposing army, live formations, pick random, average. Look how long that thing is. Holy shit. That's right though. There we go. And then majority. Oh, this is allies, sorry. What's that? Majority would be army controller. There should be a majority average position there. Lowest should be a for loop, or okay, lowest HP formation, your formation equals null, or formation information. How many times can you say formation in a row? If lowest HP int, is it an integer? I think it's a float, equals infinite. Isn't it weird when you print infinite and it's minus? Have you ever seen that? It's like minus whatever. Okay. If army formation combat total hit points. See, the thing about this, you know what? Because hit points are variable, you actually want percentage. Once percentage is less than lowest HP, lowest HP equals this, and lowest HP formation equals army formation. Okay. And then casting position equals lowest HP average body position. Okay. So really, so I'm looking at this, and really this goes here. So we still have the match statement like that, but it's there. And then what we're really doing is we're just picking, oh, no we're not, because of this one. So I was going to say we're just picking alive formations, but we're not. We're not doing that. Are we picking a army controller? Yeah, I suppose we're picking the army controller. Army controller. Target army controller equals this if this equals allies, else formation controller opposing army. Okay, so that gets rid of some code. Now you can do this. And that should be correct. And then did I have any other, like, there was lowest, there was there was majority, there was ranged. What does that mean? It targets your ranged units. Oh. You know what? That's a little bit complicated. I'm going to just add. It's not complicated, but I just can't bother to do it. The next thing, okay, so we've got the casting position. The only thing I want to say is there's complications with the cone ability or the melee ability. So you have the casting position here, but if we're talking about, which is all fine, there's just one thing here. I think I got it. If chosen spell data type equals clone.
Oh, it's serious. Everyone loves me.
New Jank, let me. How's the multiplayer stuff going? Did you make any progress? Chosen spell data type equals cone or melee, then I've got to direction to cast vector 2 formation equals formation average direction to casting position equals formation average body position plus direction to cast times, I think it was like an arbitrary number, like 30. Okay. Oh, how's the dev? It's pretty good. And I think this has to be. This has to be there. I think this has to be. I'm just working on. I'll show you my dragon. Show you my dragon. Hang on. Calculations and isometric. I think it's gonna be like that. This is what I'm working on right now. I need to get the AI to cast. Oh, I forgot to do this. So I should be able to like land anyway, it doesn't matter. Oh, I didn't fix that thing with the Z index. Didn't fix the Z index yet, so anyway, I can cast Fire Breath, but And I don't know how I'm going to stop that spamming in direction, like... Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do that. If there's no blending in 2D, you'd have to actually make the... You'd have to make the animation to have it turn. Is it 3D? No, it's 2D, yeah. So I'm having a lot of problems with the 2D stuff, right? It'd be so much easier in 3D, but the performance is just such a problem in 3D that I can't do it. And I also want it to look like Age of Empires. I want it to look like Age of Empires. So if you want Age of Empires 2, and so it has to be in 2D. What was I doing? So cast available spells. Total of 3 kingdoms. Alright, I've already got that game. I've played the shit out of that game. That's one of my favourites actually, weirdly, because a lot of people don't like it, but I liked it a lot. Yeah, nearly 400 hours. I don't know why I liked it so much. It's weird. Because it's not technically better, I just liked collecting the characters, I think. Romance of the Three Kingdoms. No, I haven't, but I have played it. But I didn't play it like, play it. I played Dynasty Warriors as well. Because I do like the romance stuff, like the lore or whatever. I like there's a Chinese TV show that I watched. And Three Kingdoms. It might not be called that though. It's a TV show, Chinese. 2010, yeah. This one. Anyway, I watched this whole series. It's really good. And it's for free if you want to watch it on YouTube. And this guy's a really good actor. Which is funny to say because you wouldn't think it would come across because it's different language and stuff. Anyway, what was I? You think? Chosen spell type cone or melee. Then change the casting position. I don't know. Should it be like that? Should you pass through a direction? Don't you? Let's see. Direction. Yeah. I guess it is like that. U30. Not sure. It's a magic number. It probably shouldn't be a magic number, but we'll see. So you've chosen. So after all this, you should have chosen an ability, right? So I should be able to. Let's say if casting position does not equal vector 2.0 and chosen spell data is empty with false. I don't know how that would ever happen. Use ability. Choose and spell data. And casting position. Let's see what happens. We should see a fireball from this character here. Oh, we just saw an entangle at an empty position. Interesting. Oh, it tried to cast Encourage, I see. Okay. I wonder why. Oh, because it didn't have a anywhere to go. Right. But pick random. If choosing spell data type or I think maybe it's just a tag. Yeah, it's a tag called passive. Okay. Tags as passive. And just return. It's fine. You can just skip for next turn. That's fine. And then because I did this, I'm just gonna change that to any. Interesting. Like spam those out. Why is it spamming those? What is happening? Well, at least it's working-ish. But why are you spamming those, firstly? Let me think about that. Entangle, cost is 0. Ah, there you go. Cost is 0. And then, for some reason, it's targeting the wrong position. So let's think about that. I mean, this should work. I don't know what. That should make sense. I guess let's just print. Like using Entangle right here. Okay. So why would it choose? I assume this is happening. Just for testing, I should increase that. Okay, interesting. Firstly, the fireball targeted an ally. That's not good. Is that my mistake? No, it says enemies any. Doesn't it? So that means that I must have typed something in here wrong. So, and also it did a majority average army position. Print this. And also I'm going to increase the thingy so it happens instantly, so I'm not waiting around. Also, I'm confused why Galahad isn't regenning. That's definitely shooting the wrong place. Enemies. Okay, we don't actually know what's what. Hyper Game Dev, hello mate. Double platform. Oh, did it work? Really? Hello. I will do this. So I don't do this enough. Shout out. I should have shouted out Nujank as well. Shout out Hyper Game Dev. Thank you so much. And also, I was just looking at this earlier. Game light. And I think this is actually like a theme I would want to join. So I'm very tempted to join this. and make like a little roguelike game, I think it'd be a lot of fun. Oh, there's like prizes and stuff. I didn't know that. Right. You can actually play it. The original Rogue. Yeah, it's very interesting. I'm definitely thinking about it, because although I'm like having a lot of fun making this game right now, but that's the sort of jam that I would actually join. So I don't normally join jams. Anyway, if you don't know me, here's the game I'm working on. I just got here for real. Hello, Philip. What's this? Oh, that's wrong. I'm a little bit confused that targeting is the wrong way around and they're not shooting in the right... They're not shooting... like they're shooting themselves. Also, they're shooting the wrong place. It's like in forward for some reason. I have no idea what's going on. They're shooting their own people. And that worked, huh? Anyway, it's meant to be a total war game, but it has spells and magic and things. You move your units around like a normal total war game. And I also worked on this dragon recently. I wonder what's going to happen here. Oh, I didn't turn on the AI. But yeah, I did do the abilities for the dragon. But the animations are a bit awkward. I don't know what I'm going to do about it. Because of course, like I was saying earlier, it's in 2D rather than 3D, so you get a lot of this, like the instant turn. I guess people are used to that sort of stuff. So it's not too bad. I don't know. Anyway, I got the fire breath. Which again isn't perfect. Because it goes in the wrong direction. There's not much you can do about it. I keep saying it's 2D, but it looks tedious looking 3D. It's in isometric, yeah. Tedious looking 2D. It's isometric projection, or whatever. See, I'm on the 2D tab. These are all just sprites. Because there's a couple reasons why it's 2D, not 3D. Firstly, I want it to look like Age of Empires, which is an old, I don't know if you probably know Age of Empires, everyone knows Age of Empires. Can't fathom it. Maybe you should try it for your roguelike game, doing isometric projection. It's not too hard, but I would say it can be awkward. Isometric scares me, I should do it. Yeah, it makes everything look cool, but it's also adds a layer of difficulty, doesn't it? I was saying something, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, I need to fix these spells. For some reason the targeting is wrong, clearly. Is it really because of this? Is this happening right now? Oh, what did it print? I don't know. Is this happening? Because it shouldn't happen. Is this happening? It is happening. Is chosen spot data type equals cone or melee? Oh! Wait. That should be a bug. Shouldn't that be a bug? Shouldn't that come out as an error? How can melee be a boolean? Just the string melee? Mate. Well, you'll learn that in the future. The string melee is just true, apparently. Just having a string is true. Alright, so this should fix a bunch of stuff. Oh, it did. It fixed everything. Oh, nice. Truthy strings. Hello, boy, Lenny. I was gonna raid you the other day, but I got distracted. Fireworks, yeah. I don't know why Galahad's broken. Why is Galahad broken? Let's think about that. Why is Galahad broken? And I gotta improve this fireball. This fireball looks so bad. Anyway, why is Galahad broken? Let's think about that. Is it like trying to cast Encourage? Oh, you also need to do this. So. Yeah, I could definitely make a roguelike game, and I would probably make it wow, getting it out of scope then, aren't you? I guess you should do what you were saying on stream, where it was like you literally do the same game as the original Rogue, right? Otherwise you're gonna get out of scope. But I'd like to do it with nice looking art, like do the art and things. Yeah, specifically, it isn't a roguelike game, it's a roguelike. How far? Oh, right. Are you doing it then, Philip? Didn't I play your game with the thingy? The orderly? Was that someone else? Oh, nice. Keeping it simple and you get start simple and add art later, yeah. Cell. Resting position equals formation. Okay. Oh, but you should only cast if people are near you. Right? Ah, shit. Enemies, self. Work is tough for me right now. Yeah. But I think it's a game you could probably finish in like 7 days. I don't think it's actually, you don't need the full 30. I say that, but maybe you would, but I feel like it's not a complicated game. Again, it probably depends how much scope it is. How much scope you do. I guess I'm gonna add another thing here. Like that. Does that mean I add more? Probably should. And just do just do that. I guess. Yeah, because if you the original game Rogue as well, it had like food and it had identifying items. It had like random items. Things like that. I feel like that's not too hard. Of course, the procedural dungeon as well. But there's a billion tutorials on how to do that. I've never done it, but there's a billion of them. So maybe hero. Oh. Space? This gets confusing, but this gets really confusing. If if to spell data dot size greater than 2, I've messed this up. If, because I'm going to have to do this twice now. Yeah, if that equals allies, and then what if you want to do if chosen spell data targets 2 equals, yeah. If formation combat 2 close allies got size it's less than 1, return. Okay. Okay. So that should do. You should be able to test this. Oh. Why isn't he regenning? Print. Euro. Okay. It's working now. What did I do? I don't think I did anything, I just added a print. Quantum bugs. The bugs only exist if you look at them. He should cast right now. Right? He should cast. He's not casting. Accidental fixes. I don't think I fixed it. Assume. Does this happen? Did this happen? Is this happening? I feel like it should be happening. I should be getting this coming up right now. Oh, but that isn't fixed anymore. Because I removed that print. No. It can't be real. It must be the maths here. It has to be this bit, right? It has to be the maths. He's not turning. Why isn't he turning? Wait, he's not turning? Oh, he's not even turning. Oh. Why? This must have happened? Or maybe I messed up here. Print. Why don't I just look at it in the inspector? Generate 0. It happened once and then it didn't happen again. Wait, is that true? Yes. Which means it must have broke here? Yeah, it must have become false. Oh, return! Oh, you're such an idiot. Don't use return in for loops. Oh, damn it. I'm so stupid. At least it's something obvious. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's test the, they're both pink, it's understandable. Return and null custom. It worked! Okay. Okay, we're good. Now, will the dragon work? Will the dragon work? Let's find out. It should just work. Right? Surely. definitely didn't work. What? Definitely didn't work. I've got some errors. Play animation out of bounds. Yeah, I'm not surprised. There might need to be like a... Firstly, I think there should be a boolean somewhere. Firstly, I think there should be a boolean saying using ability. And it should say... using ability equals true. Using ability equals false. Okay. And then in the process, and using ability equals false. Let's see what happens now. Okay. Okay. Like, the fire breath is in sort of the right direction, it's just... Yeah, totally. It's just offset wrong. Okay. So... that means just this was wrong and it should have been... I wish I knew it should have been 3. Easy. E to Z. Okay, there you go. Obviously it shouldn't have done that. That was bad. Whatever. AI. And like, what are these guys doing now? They don't know what to do. Oh, there we go. Oh, this didn't work out. That didn't make sense. Right, let's turn off the abilities for a bit so that I can actually tell what's going on. Okay, where are you going? Why are you doing that? Where are you going? I'm surprised that it's still spamming abilities like that. Let's make fly more expensive. SP regen seems to be too strong if you've got high stamina, right? So I need to put this to like 1,000. Divide by 1,000. Right. Oh, it's still fast. Oh, because turn rate's fast as well. Let's make that 2,000. There you go. Okay, why are you moving over here instead of just attacking them? Let me think about that. Is it a leader issue? It is a leader issue. Okay, okay. So that means I need hang on. I'll be right back. I need to. Oh, thanks, Hyper Game Dev. And I think I will probably join your roguelike. I can't make any promises, but I think I will. I'll see you later. I was going to take a break anyway. I'll be right back. is what was I thinking about? I have no idea. I was looking at the dragon. And it's mostly correct. Oh, there was a problem with the leader on leader. Right, leader on leader. Army controller. Reserve. If live formation start size is less than 5, 6, 5 should engage equals true. Huh. Oh, here we go. You know, I saw this the other day. It's so funny. Apparently, you can chain your turn arrays. So I can add an ear here. That's so funny. I know why it's so much funny, but I never thought. Right? Am I crazy? It does work. Look how crazy that looks. Now that is confusing. If I saw that, I'd be so confused. It's still not happening. You should engage and receive leader equals true. Should engage. Alive formations. I need to know if this is happening. Okay, less alive is happening. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, maybe I need to add in a monstrous type. Is this happening? There's a lot of ifs going on. If should engage equals true, and reserve leader equals true, reserve state. See, this is what happened. I shouldn't have put this. I shouldn't have put this ternary in. Let's unconfuse ourselves by doing if army morale is less than 0.6 or this. Then reserve state equals false. Ada VHDL. What's that? Is that a game? Okay, there we go. It's working now, I think. Yeah. Well, let's fix the Z level real quick. Which actually should just be fine. I just put the ordering +1 and it should just work. Although, would it work? Would all that? Because you kind of want things in front of you. To still be. Wait, why doesn't the Z level work? Why wasn't the Z level working? I mean, it's working. It's destroying everything. It probably needs a little bit more than that. Hold on. Go 500 here. I don't know why I'm balancing the dragon. It seems kind of pointless to balance it right now, but it's kind of fun, isn't it? Yeah, I don't like how it does that. And again, in 3D, it wouldn't switch like that. I mean, I could definitely add in between frames. I'm not sure how I'd do it. It'd be quite hard. Completely missed. Yeah, maybe even faster, I guess. Because it didn't use a single ability there. Does it kill everything because I've messed up the... Like, it does so much damage. Why does it do so much damage? What did I do? Was it because I made it tier 5, level 10? Does it really matter that much? Seems a little bit overpowered. Isn't it? I think it needs to be debuffed a little bit. How would I do that? Is damage tied to attack or something? Damage. Weapon damage, yeah. Get all damage reduced by resistances. Base damage, attacker charge bonus divided by 100. That's confusing. To do. What is that? That makes sense. It must be in when I'm calculating the units here. Right, there's a... It's this bit here, and we've got a size mod. And you get 3 times the damage. And there's a damage curve, isn't there? Right, there's a damage curve. The damage curve is too strong, obviously. So let's have a look at that. There've been resources, there've been stat curves, there've been damage curve. So that should be more like this. Perhaps something like... Maybe it should be an S curve. And it should be max 5. Let's try that. I think you can preset it to an S curve. Smooth step, there you go. Let's do that. Okay. But yeah, I think the dragon's done, right? Is it? Well, I haven't seen it use its abilities. (2D and 3D). How expensive was Fire Breath? Because also well, how are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, dog. Thanks. Sorry. This beat? This song? Should I change it? I don't know. I listen to it a lot. I guess. I don't know. Drum key. I'm trying to remember what I was doing. It wasn't casting the spell enough, so I thought I was changing that. The way it's calculated. I don't know why I'm balancing right now, but it feels wrong in the moment. So I probably shouldn't be balancing right now, but I kind of want to. Change that number here. Do. Oh, do you have a New Year's resolution, mate? Anything like that? Okay, I'm gonna call it done. I'm gonna call it done, but I want to sort out that animation so it looks better. Dragon. Okay. Like, it needs to, when it turns direction, it needs to go through... What do you mean, okay? It needs to go through the... Like, let's say it's facing north, it needs to go through... like northeast, southeast, and then in south. Right. Like the direction he's lerping. The Merlin show? You mean the BBC one? I forgot that you lived in England. What a reference. That show was terrible. It was terrible, but the Camelot Merlin show? Ooh, maybe we are thinking of different things. Magic and stuff. Arthur. Merlin. This one. Oh no, I might get copyright, but this one? Is this what you're talking about? You are talking about that. If you actually want a good Merlin, it's called Excalibur. Have you seen that film? No, it's terrible. I don't like it. Have you seen this film? This is the actual Merlin. It's not like weird, what's it called? Like, it's not like weird, toned down, like made for children Merlin. With like political correctness and stuff. That's what's wrong with that Merlin show. This is the actual Merlin show. Name. What were they? Oh, the dragon's done. We should make Merlin, right? Anyways, One Piece. Now we should make Merlin. I've got some like player input stuff to do here. Damn, I'm gonna get banned again off YouTube. Oh my god. I shouldn't have shown that clip. Can you believe it? Showing that clip, it's saying that we've detected video in your stream. I think I actually just got banned. Maybe. It's difficult to tell. You detected Merlin, yeah. It's saying audio stream's current bitrate is 0. I don't understand. Right. So this is like boring stuff that I really don't want to do. Let's do Blender. Okay. Do I want to rig it first? It's all your fault. Yeah. It's okay. I forgive you. Do I want to rig it and then color it, or do I want to color it and then rig it? Yeah, I should make sure I can rig it before coloring it. Okay. So I want to actually duplicate that collection. Well, that's weird. Oh, I see. Okay, that's fine. I want to have that backup just in case I mess something up. And then I have a camera here for some reason. We'll remove that. What's this? I don't know what that is. Delete everything we don't need. Are there eyes that are needed? There you go. Okay. And then I assume I need to like merge all of these into one model or something, maybe? I might need to add the subdivisions as well. I'm not sure. Never done this before. Parent. Let's just try that for now. Maybe. So it'll make it a lot easier. You know what else I need to do? need to like delete all of these vertices, right? So we don't need them. Oh, I went a bit too far there. Then we don't need some of this front stuff as well. But I should probably make sure it's like properly, I don't know, joined. I'm not sure. Okay. But we don't need that stuff. Alright, now I don't need the hair as well. There's some stuff on my hair. I don't need like this. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if I should have done that or not. I should have probably done a proper line. Okay, hang on. Go back. Yeah, what I was going to do originally was that. No. That. Or that. Just delete that. Right? And then delete that. And then delete that. Yeah. And then you should be able to L that and delete it. Yeah. And then it's perfect. The line's perfect. And then do the same thing here. Which you can't really do, right? Maybe I won't worry about it then. Okay. I'm going to attempt to rig it now. Add. Well, actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to object apply all transforms just in case. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just going to add rigify human. I don't want the I don't want the face. Oh, I gotta click this. I've gotta edit it. No, I've gotta object, apply, edit. We want a Den Mushy VTuber model. But with the filter, I don't know what Den Mushy is, and I'm not gonna look at it because I got banned. You're not tricking me again, mate. I don't think I need fingers. Do I want fingers? Den Mushy. I'll look at it, but I won't look at it on stream. Den Mushy. I should just stop streaming on YouTube, but... Is it? Oh, it's One Piece. I don't know what that is. It's a snail. Oh. So I think maybe I do want fingers. Do you think I want fingers? I think I do want fingers. It's like a telephone, but takes the likeness and local characters that has them. What is going on in Japan? What exactly is going on in Japan? Ah. If you had one, it would start growing that beard. Okay. That's gonna make it easier. Okay. And let's get rid of the hair and the wings and the crown. I think that's gonna go to the top. Oh, I should do snap to volume. Mate, it's almost like this model was made for this. Look how perfectly it lines up. Why don't I just L? The only thing I worry about, the thing with Rigify, it's great, but when it fails, the thing, it's very annoying. Okay. Okay. It should work. I just don't know. Oh, and then you gotta add the wings in. How do you want to do the wings? I think you might want a simple tentacle. I think you want a tentacle. Do you? Actually, I think you could just try it.
Oh, it's serious. Everyone loves me.
Hello, Overgain. Hello, mate. And they're not even in the right place anyway, are they? I'm thinking about it. We need to be a lot closer. Yeah. Definitely wants a tentacle. New boss, yeah. Oops. I think you want tentacle. Right? Either that or you want like palm or something, or I think you want simple tentacle. And you're gonna name it, haven't you? You're gonna be wing. L. Oh no, it's a wing. I think it's like wing.0 L, like that. Wing 2 L. If not, I can just grab the wing from a bird. 3L. Here. Well, I think what you do. I might just do. Yeah, okay, so I think. If I do that, Because if you look at butterflies, it's very leather, isn't it? But there's not much going on. So I think we do that. I think you are connected to you. That bone. Is it like that? Oh. It's that and that. There you go. And then I think you would add armature, generate basic copy. No. Basic super copy. I wish the names were more descriptive, right? So this can be lower wing tip L like this. To make sure that's correct. And this is going to require weight painting, isn't it? But like, I probably don't even need this to be chain. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure. But that and that would be parented. Duplicate that. And then we select that, and then we press symmetrize. Interesting. Why did that happen? I didn't get the other one. I don't know. Maybe it was in a weird place and it couldn't do it. Symmetrize. Oh, I see it. There's an error. Huh. There you go. All right, let's see what happens when you rigify that. Okay. Oh. Why can't I move you? Oh, I can. Now, do you have to join them all together? I don't know. Do you have to join them all into one mesh? Let me see. That's the wrong way around. Okay, I think you have to join them. I think you do have to join them. I'm just gonna save again, just in case something goes wrong, or it doesn't save the entire thing. I'm gonna save the entire thing. And then the fairy. So you press. So these guys. Join. Is that okay? Is there weirdness? What's this? For some reason that didn't get joined. Oh, I'll tell you what might have happened. Go back. I think there's modifiers and things you have to apply. Whoa. What just happened? What is going on? That's confusing. Okay, no modifier there. Apply that modifier. Die. Okay. Hey, Dark Blackman enemy. It still did it. That there. It worked this time. I don't know what's going on here though. Z fighting, I guess, right? There's some Z fighting going on? Why would there be Z fighting? Oh, there's two. Why is there two? Or somebody else has wings. Somebody else's wings. But I can't click that one. Somebody else's wings. I don't know where they exist. Where do these wings exist? Oh, I see. Oh, I understand. There we go. Okay. So, what are you working on at the moment, Darth Fleckman? So, bam, bam. Yeah, you mark up. I think I may have too many polygons. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Did the fingers work? We can remove the stretch, right? Can't remember how. There's a way to do that. Don't know. Is this your dream game or something? Yeah. The space garbage collector. What the hell? And that works there. It looks weird. Looks weird, but it does work. Whoa, look how weird it looks. What? I wonder why it looks that weird. Do you think there's too many polys? Whoa, that looks strange. And this went wrong as well. I imagine because we didn't make it straight. At least the cloth is moving okay. Oh, interesting. The head isn't attached. Why would that be? What do you do? I think maybe I didn't want tentacle. I don't think I wanted tentacle. Oh, the crown doesn't work at all. The bits that aren't attached. Oh, they're not even attached at all. Okay, hang on. Let's go back. Alright. Are you going to try and use isometric? It looks good. That'd be cool. So why wasn't the... I could reduce the poly as well. It probably worked, it just wasn't weight painted. Yeah. I think it probably worked, it just wasn't weight painted, because it is there. Okay. So I think first thing I want to do is I'm going to remove this. Yeah, we can just do that. That'd be fine. Or... no, I think I should do single bone. I should do rigify... super copy. Interesting. You gotta unparent this. Clear. Okay, that's confusing. That's pretty confusing. I said bones. That's confusing, obviously. I'm gonna do... wing L. Okay, there you go. Okay. Then I need to... what else was wrong? This was wrong. I think it needs to be slightly forward like that. Right. Slightly back. I think that's what went wrong. And then the hands were weird. The hands were weird. Don't know what to do about that. Well, this one... I don't normally try to do hands, so it's quite... I don't normally do hands. Yeah, I can try to do a better job. I should watch that tutorial again about how to do it. When you snap to volume, make sure you snap to volume. And these might need to be like the same length in some way. There's a good chance. I don't know. These might need to be more or less than the same. Like in real life, like they should be on the knuckle bone. I don't know. It's not a huge deal because you're not ever going to see the hands really that much. I mean, not at all really, but it'd be nice to have them. It's nice to use these to make these models as well, because then I have them forever and I don't need to if I ever want to make a 3D game, I've just got the models already, right? So that's good. Okay. I'll give it another go. I think the thumb looks fine, to be honest. I will match it up to look perfect, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let's try again. So generate the rig. Also generate the rig. Did I do it? Not connect non-chain spine, bone spine. Not connect. If I move the spine? I'm moving the spine. It's probably like I moved these two things by accident. I've got to scale 0, right? 0.0. That might be the problem. And then also here, scale 0. I think these have got to connect as well. Spine 04. So spine 04 is, yeah, it's this one. Yeah, it's complaining because these two aren't connected. Should this one be named head as well? I think so. It should be named head. Though I don't think it matters. Scale. It might be because... No, let me just see. Is it the same? Connected. Cannot connect to a non-chain parent rig. Incorrect armature for chain rigs. Don't know what that means. I think it means... Delete this. I think it might be something to do with this parenting that I did. Clear. Just parent you there instead or something. It doesn't really matter where you parent. I'm still complaining. Okay. Start again. See, this is the hardest bit. And once you rig it, it's fine, but like actually getting it rigged is really hard. Set origin to 3D cursor. There's a way to do this, I don't know. There's all these secret commands and stuff that nobody knows about. Set origin. Okay, there's a way to set 3D cursor, move the 3D cursor. I don't know. Fucking Blender is so complicated. How to move the 3D cursor in Blender. Shift right. Oh. Shift C. Okay, there we go. Okay, I don't know why it moved. Okay, I'm just gonna delete you actually. And then I'm going to add a human. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna do, I want to see this, and I want to see in front. Okay. Oh, I didn't have symmetry on. Damn it. Yeah, they made this model a little bit annoying with the... Okay. This is the dangerous bit where he's trying to move this stuff and then it fucks everything up. So make sure everything's selected. Okay. Okay. Damn, this is confusing, isn't it? Okay. Before I spend too long on my hands or something, I'm gonna make sure it actually works first. Let's just make sure it works. Generate rig. Okay, it does work. Let's go back and add a meta rig sample, super copy. Okay. I'm going to name this Wing L. I'm going to add another one. And I'm going to add one. I'm going to name this one Wing Tip Lower. L. Wing Tip Higher. L. And then I'm going to do, I guess it was this way around, wasn't it? Parent make, keep offset, okay. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I'm going to symmetrize. Then I'm going to do parent make, keep offset. I'm going to save, edit, generate rig. Okay. Oh. Object. Apply all transforms. Rectify generate. Okay. There we go. Fine. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I was out returning some videotapes. Did I miss anything? Check a sea salt. Why do you feel like... Why do I recognize your name? The 17th of January 2025. Is that right? Yeah. Mate, it's been a while. Oh, sorry, Overcane. Yeah, it's the same character from Grand Fantasy Heroes. Yeah. Oh, mate, check a sea salt. What were you up to last time I talked to you? I don't know. It's been forever. What are you up to now? You made the model, just ring. I did make the model. I did make the model. But it's like I got the base model. I didn't make the base model. like the human base model. What was I doing? Okay, I've made that. Now I've got to see if it worked, right? So you got to do this, parent with automatic weights. No error. That's good. It's going to take a while though because I made it too high poly. Oh wait, failed. God damn it. Mate, this is the hardest bit about making 3D models, is the rigging. It's the hardest bit. Ah. I was drawing frames by hand last time we spoke. Century bees, mice and that. Oh right, the Doom. It was like Doom. I remember now. Okay. So there's only like a couple ways you can fix this. Oh, dude, it's so annoying. It worked the first time, didn't it? So the first thing to do is to grab that, and then item scale by 100, 100, 100. Scale by 100, 100, 100. And then you gotta apply them, I think. Pretty sure you gotta apply them. And then we try again. It might have gone through. Nervous. Yeah, how's your game going? Check Assault. Did you carry on with that game? think I might have messed this scaling up. I'm gonna generate just take some time off. I'm back and going strong. Okay, nice. The problem with Decimate is, I don't know. I should probably unsubdivide. Is the one I should do. Yeah. Let's make a backup before I do this. Okay. I'm gonna try one more time. Another game. I have a demo. I have a demo out right now. Yeah, this is broken. I don't know what happened, but this is completely broken. Did it go back? How annoying. We try without the scale. But with the decimate. Oh wait, no, that's not what I meant. This is the worst part. Like, everything's fine about game development, about 3D modeling, except for the rigging. It's like... yeah. Do I want to complain about it, or what do I want to do? I don't know. Sound assets outside itch. Yeah, it's Humble Bundle where you gotta go to. Oh. But also, you can just find everything for free. I wouldn't buy things. You go to free tube or whatever it's called, free sound. freesound.org. I'm stuck. Stuck with no solution. I think it might have gone through randomly. Did it? It did. It worked. Oh my god. Ah, I can die happy. I can die happy. Okay. I'm just gonna call that a victory. I think I'm gonna stop now. Rigged. Okay. Oh. Save. Incremental save. All right. Well, well, that's what I did. I just did it a different way. And then I put it on my, what should we call it? My thingamabobby. Anyway, this is my new game. It's like a strategy game, and it's meant to be like Age of Empires, except are you always a dragon? Oh, sorry, yeah. I didn't show you the main. That's not what normally happens. It is normally like this. Grand Fantasy Heroes, yeah. Yeah. Cinematic universe. I like that. That's why I'm making those 3D models, because all of the models are going to be 3D, right? And I'm just taking the sprite sheets from the 3D models. Because it was hard enough making sprite sheets at one view. If I had to hand draw sprite sheets in 8 directions, I think I'd go literally insane. So that's what I'm doing. Can you zoom in? You can zoom in this much. I don't want you to zoom in more because it doesn't have much detail, you know. I did go kind of insane about 90 days, 1200 sprites. Yeah, we could use them in 3D game, yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's not detailed enough that you can like zoom in that much. It's not like, it's not actually 3D, it's, this is 2D. This is a 2D game. First person would be incredible. Yeah, well, you can play Total War, can't you? If you wanted that. Or, I don't know, Dynasty Warriors or something. Anyway. That's all I wanted to... And thanks for stopping by, Hidden to Dad. But yeah, I'm going to stop streaming now. So... I can raid someone. And this guy raided me yesterday. Raided... Huh, thanks. Oh! Is it working? Can't tell. I might be on tomorrow. What day is it tomorrow? Saturday, yeah. And oh yeah, I'm glad to see you as well, Check Sizzle. It's been a while. Hopefully you can show me your game soon. And yeah. Hopefully maybe I can even play it. If you want me to play test it, that'd be great. Alright, I'll see you guys later.